This is Hannibal from the HannibalTV.com with my third installment going through some claims Hulk Hogan made on the Steve Austin podcast last week. Huge reaction on the first two. This week I'm going to go over Hulk Hogan claiming on Steve Austin's podcast that he had no idea what the finish of the match was going to be at Wrestlemania 3 between him and Andre the Giant until he got in the ring. Austin asked him, "Is that a shoot?" Hogan said yes. Well, if you look at his book, which I went back and I took some photos of, those are the images on the screen right now. He says the same thing that he says in Austin's podcast regarding laying out the match and giving it to Vince McMahon, who takes the plan of the match and tells Andre, because Andre didn't like to pre-plan matches and he didn't want Andre knowing that Hogan had pre-planned the match himself. So that part coincides with the story he told on Austin's podcast. The difference is, in his book, he said that when McMahon asked Andre if Hogan would let him win, Andre said yes. So therefore, Hulk Hogan for sure knew what was going to happen when he was getting in that ring that night at WrestleMania 3. The other thing I want to bring up about the body slam, acting like it was such a big deal that he body slammed Andre. Harley Race, rest in peace, he just passed away last week, had body slammed Andre the Giant, as well as Jerry Lawler, and the Ultimate Warrior has done it numerous times. And by the way, the Ultimate Warrior also defeated Andre the Giant numerous times. So people like to claim that Andre hated the Ultimate Warrior. Well, Andre did not have to go in there and put the Ultimate Warrior over many, many times during the latter part of his career. So again, another lie from Hulk Hogan on Austin's podcast. And when Austin said, "Is that a shoot? You really didn't know what the finish of the match was going to be?" he said yes. So he lied directly to Austin. I do believe Austin is an honest person, but I don't believe Hulk Hogan is.
Thank you for watching the Hannibal TV. Please like this video if you enjoyed it and click the subscribe button to not miss any of our latest shoot interviews, match videos, or news updates. Support us on patreon.com for $1.99 a month to watch our full shoot interviews ad-free and help our channel grow. Follow us on Twitter at the Hannibal TV for instant updates.